You've probably heard this before. You're getting weaker because you're getting older. It's just part of aging. Doctors say it, friends believe it, even fitness experts often nod along. But what if that's not true? What if the reason you're losing strength after 60 isn't just age? Because here's the truth. Losing muscle after 60 isn't guaranteed. It's often a result of something hidden and something you can change. Let me explain. There's a name for it. Sarcopenia, the gradual muscle loss tied to aging. But age isn't the only cause. A 2014 study showed that nearly 1 in 2 adults over 60 had signs of sarcopenia, many without even knowing. They were eating regularly, some even exercised, yet their strength kept fading. Why? Because building muscle isn't just about movement or meals. It's about how your body uses what you give it. And after 60, that system often breaks down. Think of your muscles like a sponge. Protein is the water, but if the sponge is stiff and dry, it can't soak anything in. That stiffness, it often comes from insulin resistance and nutrient loss. Without enough insulin sensitivity or key minerals like magnesium, your body can't use the protein you eat, even if you're eating plenty. That's why so many seniors feel like they're trying, but still getting weaker. Let me show you 3 simple, natural ways to change that. 1. Gentle movement before breakfast. Just 5 to 10 minutes of chair squats, band pulls, or even wall push-ups. This light effort before your first meal may boost insulin sensitivity, so your muscles absorb nutrients better. And if you can't stand well, try seated resistance band rows or ankle lifts. This isn't about intensity, it's about waking up your muscles. 2. Prioritize protein at lunch. Older adults need more protein per meal, not more meals overall. Focus your lunch on animal-based proteins rich in leucine, like fish, eggs, or bone broth. This signals your body to repair and grow muscle even later in life. Soft foods like sardines or ground turkey were great if chewing is tough. 3. Magnesium before bed. Most seniors don't get enough, and magnesium is key for muscle recovery, sleep, and strength. Try a small snack like soaked almonds or warm cocoa with pumpkin seeds. It helps your muscles recharge overnight, like oil in a car engine. Now here's the most important part. You're not just getting old, you're running low on the right inputs and the right timing. That means this isn't the end of your strength. It's the beginning of your comeback. That's exactly why we created the Muscle Revival Blueprint, a 30-day plan for adults 55 plus to naturally reverse age-related muscle loss. It gives you 1 simple action per day with food, movement, and recovery steps your body can actually follow. You'll find a link below. And if your joints ache too, watch this next video showing on your screen right now. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what part of your body do you want to feel strong again? Let's grow stronger 1 step at a time.